In order to access the carrier, the first step is going to be to lower the rear end of the exhaust. The forward hangers we can remove with exhaust hanger removal pliers, and then with the rear hangers, we'll just unbolt them from the body. The next step is going to be to cut the OEM carrier off. First, cut off one of the feet and remove the bolt holding it in. Then we'll be able to rotate a little bit, make the first cut, rotate 180 degrees, and make a second cut through the frame. Now use a razor blade to cut the rubber all the way around the bearing. This will allow us to remove the carrier frame from the bearing. Now we'll trim away the excess rubber, leaving the base layer of rubber intact. Now we'll attach a new carrier, bring the top half up, text facing forward, bring the bottom half up to meet it, connect the two together with the Allen bolts. As you're tightening up the bolts, make sure you switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. Now we're going to attach the carrier to the car. Take your bolt, fender washer, and isolation damper facing up. Then come down from the top with another isolation damper, and then a small washer on the very top, and go up into the body. Same thing on the other side, bolt, fender washer, isolation damper facing up. Then you're going to go up into the carrier, and then isolation damper facing down, and then a small washer on the very top.